Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record a screen on laptop using Loom. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in Loom. Hit enter and click on the first link, that is www.loom.com. After this, you'll be navigated to this page where you'll have to click on Finish Account Setup button. Now on this page, you'll have to basically choose how you are planning to use Loom. For work, education or personal projects, choose it, select your role and click on Continue. Now on this page, you'll have to choose what would you like to name your workspace. So enter a workspace name here and click on Continue. After this, you'll be promoted to Invite Your Teammates page where you can enter email addresses of your teammates and invite them. If you don't want to do this, click on Not Now, and here you can choose how would you like to record your screen. So I'm going to click on Chrome extension, that is the install button just under it, and this will open up Chrome Web Store. Here, click on the Get button, now choose Add Extension, and this will instantly install Loom extension on your laptop. Now as you can see, it's opening loom.com and this is my workspace. Here, I will have to click on this small extensions icon and click on this Show in Toolbar option so I can pin Loom on my toolbar. Now in order to start recording my screen on my laptop, I will have to simply click on this Show Navigation button at the top left. Now choose Record a Video button at the bottom left corner. When you click on the Record button, it will show some tools on your screen. Here, you will have your profile icon at the bottom left corner and Loom's tool at the top right of the screen. Here, you can click on Full Screen and choose what part of the screen you would like to record. You can choose camera, the current tab that you're using, the window or full screen. After doing this setting, you can click on camera and choose from which camera would you like to record yourself. Now click on this default microphone option and choose which microphone would you like to record with. After this, simply click on Start Recording button and this will show this pop-up where it says Heads Up. You will confirm what to share in New tab. Click on Confirm what to share and choose whether you want to share your entire screen, window or Microsoft Edge tab. After selecting what part of the screen you want to record, you'll have to click on Share. After you click on Share, a countdown will start and you can start recording your screen from now. Now whatever I do on my screen will be recorded using Loom. I can just click on this Stop Sharing button and the recorded file will appear on Loom. As you can see, it's just right here. So that's how you record a screen on laptop using Loom. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.